Welcome back to Kluger's Garage. I'm Kluger. Today, unfortunately, we're raising up the FC, pulling the tranny. Lost all the forward gears, and that's no bueno. Summertime's coming up, and it's the first summer I got this rig. I gotta get this thing driving. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it down to the transmission shop and see how quick they get this turned around. So, all right. Job is never done. Alright, make sure you wrap your rascal so you don't get any burrs on there that could destroy the seal. Put it in a safe spot next to all your other shafts. So it's really unfortunate. I forgot this drain plug's been stripped ever since I got it out of the donor boner. So I'm gonna have to drop the pan. And yeah, not cool, not cool. So I'll have to make sure I get that fixed when I have it at the transmission shop. Anyway, let's go grab the power tools. I'm almost certain this is going to be stupid messy. And I was right. Yeah, it's pretty black. I'm black and I'm black, y'all. Something ain't right. Alright, well, that's probably pretty good. Probably a good time now to, secure the battery. Alright. Now we won't die. That's good. Okay, starter is out. Get the bungee. Inspection plate. Sweet. Whoa. Going for a ride, guys. And there we go. Yep. Pull the pin. Back this guy out, and voila. There we go. Disconnected. Voila. See what kind of mess we can make here. Yeah. One magical pin. Two magical pins. Here's your little piggy went to the market. There we go. Okie dokie, my friends. Go ahead and put it. Hold the bolts in here so I don't lose them. Because, you know, that will happen. Got my bin of bolts here along with my little controller. All in here, I'm going to go ahead and throw it in a hidden special location where I'm soon to forget about it. And then when I go to reinstall it, I'll be looking for it for hours. So I'm going to go ahead and record this so when I go back to edit this stuff, I might have a clue where I put that shit. So unfortunately, I don't have my cherry picker. So I'm going to go head up to the ceiling, see if I can't rig something there to pull it out. I forgot when I built this, I made everything come out from the top. So you go ahead and pull the whole unit just by loosening this up, removing this bar here. Grab a hold of your powertrain, lift it right up. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to disconnect the transmission from the engine without pulling up a little bit on the motor. So we're about to find out. Not really looking forward to it, to tell you the truth. But let's get in this.
Go.
Yep.
That's strong enough to hold it?
I hope so. It's holding the roof and it's only a couple 100 pounds, so my engineering background, I think it will. Yeah, so you missed how easy that was for once. It's pretty freaking easy. Pretty easy, people! Oh.
I was wondering about that.
Now it's getting harder.
I was gonna ask what is stopping it from doing exactly what it just did, but
Nothing.
I decided not to.
Oh.
Figured you had thought of that.
Torquey! No torquey! I should reuse this oil. Maybe that will balance it a little bit better. The objective is to get that bad boy on the table. Ideally, you would want to just push Penny forward. But in this case, I got a badass buggy in front of the rig that is also waiting to get the transmission installed. So we're going to have to do some unconventional redneck wisdom here. We're just going to crank her up and try to blow her over. I didn't put any chocks on this or brakes, so it really likes to roll on me. So I'm hoping I can chalk it good enough. And I already put a hammer there and it ain't working. So I'll try this. Boom! Alright guys, that's it. Penny has her tranny out and it's ready to go down to the shop to get rebuilt. So I'll go ahead and move the RV out of the way. Bring the Dodge in here, slide her in that sliding bed cargo dealio that we got, and strap her down and get the tranny to the shop. Oh, like a glove! Look at that. Perfect. Okay, let's slide that bad jammer right on there, There it is. Like a glove. Let's go ahead and throw a strap on this tranny. like I'm missing something? Yeah, because I am. That would have sucked. Yep, you guessed it. Torque converter. Good to go now. Until next time, guys, get out and shop, build something. Thanks for watching. Guess the chain needed a nice Kluger-duber.